Have you ever stood by your chicken coop, completely helpless, watching your once active, happy birds now looking weak, dull, and sickly? Maybe one or two are huddled in the corner, feathers puffed, breathing hard, refusing to eat. And in your mind, you're thinking, what can I give them? Am I about to lose my flock? Whether you keep chickens for eggs, as pets, for meat, or just for the joy of watching them scratch around your backyard, that sinking feeling is the same. And the truth is, sometimes you don't even know what the illness is. Is it respiratory, digestive, a bacterial infection, or distress? Back in index pointing right in this video, I want to share with you 3 of the most powerful natural antibiotics you can use for your chickens. Treatments you can prepare quickly, give easily through water, and watch them start working. These remedies don't just fight sickness. They strengthen the immune system, restore appetite, and give your flock a second chance, even when you're not sure what's wrong. Stick with me until the end, because the last one is something most chicken keepers completely overlook, but can be a total game changer. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, thumbs up. It really helps this video reach more chicken keepers. And drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. I love seeing our chicken community from all over the US and the world. Alright, let's dive in. The first natural treatment is something you probably have growing in your backyard or on your windowsill. Aloe vera gel. Now, most people know aloe as that soothing gel for sunburns or skin care. But inside your chicken coop, it can be a literal lifesaver. Back into index pointing right, and let me be clear, I'm not talking about the whole aloe leaf, and definitely not the bitter yellow latex that can actually irritate the digestive system. I mean the clear gel inside the leaf. That's where the healing power is. So why aloe vera gel? Antimicrobial shield. Aloe contains compounds like aloin, which fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Immune booster. It helps your chicken's immune system produce more white blood cells, the body soldiers that fight infections. Gut healer. Many chicken illnesses show up as digestive problems, watery droppings, diarrhea, smelly feces. Aloe vera cleans out harmful bacteria without killing the good ones. Unlike antibiotics that wipe out everything, aloe restores balance in the gut. Stress reliever. Heat stress, handling stress, even vaccination stress. Aloe has natural cooling and calming effects. Chickens breathe easier, pant less, and regain activity. Pushpin how to prepare it. 1. Cut a fresh aloe leaf. 2. Scoop out the clear gel inside. 3. Blend it or stir it into water until smooth. Pushpin dosage. Use 25 milliliters of gel per 1 liter of drinking water. Offer it continuously for 3 to 5 days. Back into index pointing right, what to expect. By the second day, you'll usually notice firmer droppings, improved appetite, and birds standing taller, moving around again. That's the power of aloe vera. Simple, natural, and effective. The second remedy is a personal favorite, and honestly one of the most reliable combinations you'll ever use. Garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Individually, each one is powerful, but together, they work like a team, covering nearly every type of infection your chickens might face. Garlic contains allicin, a natural antibiotic that kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It's also great for circulation and general vitality. Ginger clears mucus in the respiratory tract, improves digestion, and increases blood flow. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammation, protects the liver, and helps the body recover from stress. Back-end index pointing right, when combined, this trio does 3 important things. 1. Boosts the immune system. 2. Cleans both the respiratory system and digestive tract. 3. Helps sick birds regain strength faster. Pushpin how to prepare it. 1. Take 1 clove of garlic, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, and 1 similar-sized piece of turmeric. 2. Crush or blend them together. 3. Add the mixture into 1 liter of drinking water. 4. Stir thoroughly and give immediately. Dosage and duration. Give it for 3 to 7 days, depending on how sick your chickens are. For larger amounts, like 5 liters of water, just multiply the ingredients. What to expect. Birds that were weak and off feed usually regain appetite within 2 days. Respiratory symptoms like rattling or wheezing reduce, and hens often return to laying faster because their systems recover more quickly. Now let me put this into perspective with a scenario. Imagine you go out to your coop one morning and notice half your flock looking sluggish. They're not eating, some are sneezing, others have watery droppings. Instead of panicking and reaching for expensive antibiotics, you mix up a quick garlic ginger turmeric water. Within a few days, the birds are noticeably more active, eating again, and those symptoms begin to fade. This remedy is especially powerful because it doesn't just fight sickness, it strengthens the chicken's overall system. That means even after they recover, they tend to thrive better. Hey, quick check-in. If you're finding this video helpful so far, hit the like button, thumbs up, and share this video with another chicken keeper you know. You never know, this information could save their flock. The third natural treatment is one that's often ignored, but it's incredibly powerful: essential oils. Specifically, I'm talking about oregano oil and thyme oil. Here's why they matter. Oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds that literally break holes in harmful bacteria, causing them to collapse. Thyme oil boosts respiratory health, supports digestion, and enhances immunity. And here's the kicker. Studies show oregano oil can be more effective than some antibiotics against drug-resistant bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. How to prepare and dosage. Mix 1 milliliter oregano oil plus 1 milliliter thyme oil in 3 liters of drinking water. Stir thoroughly and give fresh. For very sick chickens, you could give 1 drop directly into the beak every 12 hours for up to 3 days. But here's an important warning. Not all essential oils are safe. Always buy food-grade oils intended for human or animal use. Cheap, synthetic oils are dangerous. What to expect? Chickens on this treatment often show rapid improvements: clearer breathing, brighter eyes, more energy, and a return of appetite. Some keepers even use it once a week as a preventive, giving their flock a natural immunity boost. So, let's recap the 3 natural antibiotics for chickens that really work. Aloe Vera Gel cleanses the system, restores the gut, and reduces stress. Garlic plus ginger plus turmeric, the ultimate immune-boosting, infection-fighting combo. Oregano and thyme, essential oils. Overlooked but extremely powerful against tough infections. These remedies don't just treat disease, they help prevent it by building stronger immunity. They reduce your reliance on synthetic antibiotics, save you money, and keep your flock healthier long-term. But remember, timing is everything. The sooner you act when symptoms appear, the better the recovery. Don't wait until your chicken is too weak to lift its head. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more natural remedies, and check out the video on your screen right now, where I share the best natural rescue formula for reviving weak or dying chicks. See you there.